Ada juga trend yang mana orang bila sakit lutut pergi berjumpa dengan maybe beautician ke spa clinic, I'm not sure, yang cucuk hyaluronic acid, yang cucuk something into the lutut, tetapi not by orthopedic surgeon. I'm not sure Dr. Hazli on social media ataupun tidak benda ni diwar-warkan, dipromote, di ads. Your comment.
First of all, yes, we do come across pesakit-pesakit yang normally diorang dah pergi jumpa these doctors kat luar atau
I gelak
beautician
sebab
ke whatever.
I'm thinking diorang dah mess up, now you have to clean the mess.
Yes, correct. Tapi I tak nak cakap they mess it up. It's just that kadang-kadang it's not that they purposely mess it up. Contoh pasal dia injection. Maybe they didn't pick the right patient to do it. So pesakit yang tak perlu diorang inject. Lepas tu bila diorang inject, diorang tak inject dengan cara yang betul. So kadang-kadang boleh jadi infection. Kadang-kadang we have to deal with things like this lah. And then sometimes, contoh, last week diorang buat injection. Lepas tu, today datang jumpa saya, masih sakit. So they expect me to do something immediately. We cannot do.
Right.
Because dia baru sangat buat something, so takut infection ke things like that, we don't know. Sometimes, yalah, the doctors kat luar, it's not that they're doing the wrong thing, it's just that maybe diorang tak advise patient properly. You have to lower the expectation sikit lah. Tak boleh lepas injection, okay, you boleh lari marathon, cannot lah.
Doctors tu satu doktor, but the trend is the therapist, the beautician yang intravenous pun tak belajar lagi ni, terus dah belajar inject lutut.
Betul.
Dia panggil themselves as alternative therapist ke, dia orang biasa lah yang buat injection. That scares me a lot sebenarnya. How can people trust orang yang tak ada medical certificate untuk pegang struktur dalaman badan you? That is worrying. Have you come across?
I do come across, ada diorang buat juga. The thing is, kita tak tahu apa diorang inject. That's the problem. Kalau they inject the right thing, okay lah, tapi are they injecting it in the right location? Tu satu lagi. Actually, there is a little bit of learning curve and training that one has to go through lah sebelum buat benda-benda macam ni lah.
So kepada you all semua, jangan pergi buat prosedur macam ni dengan, you know, center-center yang ada dekat kedai, shop lot lah, dekat hotel lah, buat rawatan yang mencari jalan pintas macam ni, because macam doktor cakap, kalau infection ke apa ke, dia boleh jadi lagi teruk, lagi susah komplikasinya, lagi besar komplikasinya, nanti lagi teruk dia punya long term complications. Siri Jom dengan tips ini dibawakan khas untuk anda oleh Columbia Asia Hospital Tebrau.